once you're in the profiles page, you have a button that says LogViewer. If you check the LogViewer, you would see the recently executed process, which was recently completed process, which executed successfully, as well as if it errored out. So since the recent process was successful, you would see the type of the error is info and fine. If you get any error messages, the log type or the error type here would change to severe, and you can also filter out the log level based on these strings. So you can, if there is a severe error, you can just click on severe and click on go. Since there is no error in the recent sync, we can check the complete log of a successful sync. So here you can see there is updated, or the updated result back to Salesforce, which is nothing but the Salesforce opportunity ID. So let's see what is the QuickBooks response that we get when we try to run the sync and create an invoice. So to check the logs, you'll have to just start from the bottom of the execution. First, initial setup is done. You can see which state is executing and also which sequence is executing. So the next, the opportunity to invoice state is executed, and we got the response saying duplicate name exists error. So this error message can be ignored because QuickBooks provides, or QuickBooks Online throws an error message saying even if the customer is already existing in QuickBooks, it would give up this error message. But we can still reference the existing customer from Salesforce to QuickBooks whose names match. This is during the customer creation. The next would be for the response. You'll have to check what is the request sent and the response. So QuickBooks request is sent for the customer table here, and the response received is exactly the same. The complete XML from the QuickBooks data that is already present in QuickBooks is replied back in QuickBooks response. If you get any error, you would find the error messages in QuickBooks response. Once you get any error messages here, something like this, you can find it in Google, or you can also search for the error messages within DBSync. To get the complete understanding about a product, you can always get to the help section right here, which would give you a complete tutorial of DBSync to integrate between Salesforce and QuickBooks platform. There is